river named Hynrei river. In my Khasi language, people Hynrei river. Okay. So from this river, it is a border. It is a border. The name of this river means the no man's land. The name of this river means the no man's land river. And the falls name is the no man's land falls. Okay. From this river, you see there is a pillar. There is pillar.
Yeah.
There is pillar. From this pillar, this side,
India.
it is a place of the Laikna village. And this area was entered by the headman of this Laikna.
Okay.
And the community was entered by the Sardar of the Hima of Savat. And from this pillar, that side, that area was entered by the headman of the Tankarang and ruled by the Sardar of the Mausmai. So from this pillar, that side was entered by the Sardar of the Walam. So you see, my village, so many, so beautiful, the mountains, the thick forest, and
The falls.
and from here, it is a beautiful place. You will see, you look, that white house, no? That white house, that white house, it is a factory, but the name of that factory, I don't know. But from that factory, burn fire by a gas to produce lime. Burn fire by from the limestone.
Okay.
Burn fire to produce a lime. So, and you see, from here you see clearly, you see the first flood, the flood of the land, the flood of the land, the first flood in Meghalaya, and you see that black line. That black line is not a fencing, it is a local road, okay? And you see that the second flood of land, from that second flood of land, you see the black line like this, like this, like this. That black line, it is a fencing. From the fencing,
That is
side,
fencing.
from the fencing,
That black
side, that
line.
mean in Bangladesh. From the fencing, this side, that mean in India, okay? And that
Okay.
fencing will go from that plain area up to that white sand at that river. That
Okay.
river is flowing from the Shela river to the Bangladesh. And
Okay.
next, from that Shela river, you see that white sand at that river. From that white sand, that side, you see that plain area, that plain area. That plain area, it is the stand of the airplane at British time. Okay?
That was airport, runway.
Yes, the airport of the
British time.
At the British time, the airport. Okay. So I welcome you. So thank you.
Thank you.
So if you go from here, you please you tell to your friend, okay, to
Yes,
welcome my Meghalaya. And
Okay.
if you tell them, if they want to come, so you have to come through this Karamha Motrap. From the way of Karamha Motrap, you will see there's a no man's land river and no man's land falls. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.